Nature is a powerful force, capable of creating awe-inspiring beauty and devastating destruction. Join us at Yellow TV as we explore some of the most extraordinary moments ever captured. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on these incredible events. Welcome to Osh, Kyrgyzstan. It looks like the rain decided to bring a little too much drama. After a torrential downpour, streets transformed into rivers, and cars were floating like toy boats. Some locals even found themselves on rooftops, getting the best seats in the house to watch nature's power show.
Can you see that?
This towering swirl of dust is like a tornado's playful cousin, putting on a show across the Kansas fields. A wild yet harmless spectacle. Kansas sure knows how to keep things interesting. After a wild downpour, Mecca's streets turned into rushing rivers, sweeping everything along for the ride, including cars. Just a reminder that sometimes life can take a wild turn when you least expect it. The ground threw an unexpected dance party with a 9.1 magnitude earthquake in Japan. Buildings swayed and everyone scrambled outside like it was a fire drill. This landslide happened so fast that you could blink, and a massive boulder would already be rolling down. The car got crushed like it was hit by a hammer from the sky. Absolutely terrifying.
Oh, it's a really big one.
A snow avalanche tumbles down the perilous Annapurna Range with all the chaos of a dancer on too much caffeine. It's a wild, unpredictable show that only nature can deliver. In Karlsruhe, Germany, heavy rains decided the streets needed a makeover. Into rivers. Cars became impromptu boats caught in the unexpected flood. That's why it's better to stay indoors when the weather turns nasty. Just watch the sheer power of this storm. Those winds must be so strong to send signage flying like paper. Makes you wonder if that sign took flight lessons before this happened. In this breathtaking footage, the sky puts on a dramatic show with a cloud tsunami rolling in like a massive wave. These colossal clouds sweep across the horizon, creating a stunning visual that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie.
Wow!
Not exactly what you want during a beach day. In this video, a sudden and intense hailstorm crashes the party, leaving beachgoers scrambling for cover under anything they can find. That even a sunny day at the beach can turn into a wild adventure when the weather decides to throw in some ice for fun. A skier is racing down the slope with a cloud of powdery snow hot on his heels. It's like the mountain decided to join in on the fun. Thankfully, the skier stays ahead, turning what could be a terrifying moment into a wild ride with an epic backdrop. The frozen ocean of Alaska stretches out like a scene straight from a winter fantasy film. It's as if the Ice Queen herself waved her wand and turned the world into a glistening, icy wonderland. Yes, it's so beautiful, but when lightning strikes that close, it's more like a jump scare from nature. This video shows just how quickly a calm street can turn into a raging river. After heavy rains in China, this car found itself at the mercy of the floodwaters. It's a powerful reminder that when water takes over, even the strongest vehicles are no match. As the winds pick up, it's clear that this twister means business. Thankfully, it's more of a spectacle than a disaster, with those yachts getting an unexpected close-up view of nature's power.
Look at all the boats right there.
Oh my god, this is so scary to watch. This is literally my worst fear. Oh my god.
Oh, it's gonna run right through this freaking main drag road.
This video shows a wildfire in Australia spinning into a fiery tornado, proving that nature always has a wild card up its sleeve. In Yellowstone, a surprise hydrothermal eruption at Biscuit Basin transformed an ordinary walk into a thrilling spectacle. The floodwaters were so powerful that they swept entire homes downstream, turning the neighborhood into a scene of chaos. Imagine the power it takes to uproot a tree like this. In just a few moments, the storm's ferocious winds turned this peaceful neighborhood into a scene of chaos, with trees toppling like dominoes. Typhoon Jebi didn't hold back as it unleashed its fury on Osaka, turning everyday scenes into wild spectacles. From rooftops taking flight to cars being tossed around like toys, the powerful winds transformed the city into a real-life action movie.